What if I told you this used to be a baguette? Yes, that's right. We made pancakes from leftover bread. Let's get started. Bonjour, y'all. I'm Miss Kate, and this is Co Cuisine. We got a really bad batch of frozen baguettes that, I'm telling you, hard as a rock. But I didn't want to completely throw them away. They're still edible after all. But what could I do with them besides make bird food? So I went looking on the internet, and I found a recipe for leftover bread pancakes. So why not? Let's try this. So basically, you soak the old bread in milk, and my baguettes were super hard. If you use some regular leftover stale bread, this probably won't take you as much milk. I will give you the recipe at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And while you're waiting for me to mash up my bread, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video if you find this interesting. I'm always looking for ways to reduce food waste in my kitchen. How about you? Let us know in the comments if you have a recipe that uses up leftovers. Now, as you can see, I gave up on the super stale baguette for mashing it by hand. I'm going with the food processor. In addition to milk, we need butter or oil, an egg, baking soda, salt, sugar, and the flavoring of your choice. And since I'm doing this in the food processor, I didn't melt the butter, but you might want to melt yours. And it should look something like this. Oh, so delicious. Yum, yum. Flavoring options could include, but are not limited to, vanilla, maple, or maybe even some cinnamon. Use your imagination, guys. This is your leftover bread pancake. We're going to cook this in a hot skillet with butter or oil. Now, you can see my butter got bubbly here. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'm using a disher or a scooper to ensure that my pancakes are about the same size. If you don't have one, just use a spoon, I suppose. Now, this doesn't cook up like your regular pancake batter. You'll see in a minute. It takes a little more love or attention, however you want to put it. We're going to cook this completely on one side before we flip it over. I'm just pushing it here to kind of spread it out because I noticed the bottom is cooking, but the middle is not. I have two sizes here because I'm doing an experiment and I want to see which one cooks up better. Looks like the middle one's the winner, so we're going to go with the smaller scoop here. Give it time. This is taking a lot longer than your regular run-of-the-mill pancake. Look at that golden brown deliciousness. Yum, yum. The big one, again, is taking longer. It's a little harder to flip. Still golden brown, still delicious, weird texture. Okay, I don't know if it's delicious or not. I haven't eaten it yet. Haha, I am being positive, guys. Stay with me here. I'll speed up this cooking process and then we can get to tasting. Off we go. Chaton brunch. Too bad I can't be this fast in real life. Haha, we wish. I did find when they were extra thick, it did help to cover the pan for a little bit. This pan doesn't have a lid, so I used foil. What you gonna do? Okay, finally, we're done, and this is about how much that made. They're kind of puffy. Let's take a look at the interior. This one's a little more puffy than the other one. We'll try it. It's nice and fluffy. So texturally, it's a fluffy pancake. The big one, you can see, didn't do as well. So you decide. Taste-wise, this is not my favorite thing, but I could eat it. Would I make it again? Maybe. Maybe it's better with a better bread or a less stale baguette. This is edible. We'll eat it. So let's plate it up and have some breakfast or a brunch. Add some blueberries, maybe some maple syrup. That's what I'm having. You decide what you want on yours. Maybe some Nutella, peanut butter. So let's see if topping makes it better. And yes, that does make it a little more palatable. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? And here comes the screenshot in 3, 2, 1. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me today. And if you did, check out this next video where we'll make another breakfast staple. Or you can check out this other one for my latest video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Au revoir and bon appetit.